Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm creating this video today because it seems that more and more people are coming across bed bugs. I don't know if this may be your first time seeking help or this is your first time coming to YouTube, but I am starting to get more and more comments and about how to get rid of bed bugs, how to treat your bed, how to use the diatomaceous earth and all of these things. So I'm creating this video. I was just recently asked a question about how to apply diatomaceous earth to the mattress. The best that I can explain it to you on through this particular way, because now I've taken a lot of my videos down. I am turning this into a business because that's exactly what it is. The number of people that come to the comment section and ask me in the comments, I cannot explain everything in the comments. And because of how long I've been doing this in the way that some people don't appreciate the service, they don't do what I say do. They always say something doesn't work. You get the information for free. You don't even thumbs up the video. It's just lack of appreciation. So now I do things differently. But I will explain how to cover the mattress. When you're putting diatomaceous earth on your mattress, you don't put it across the whole entire mattress. You have a seam of the mattress that goes all the way around the bed, all the way around the mattress. The seam is what put the mattress together. So you have a top fold and you have a bottom fold. You put the powder all the way around the mattress along the top fold. Then you put it all around the mattress under the fold. And that's what you do for the mattress. Now, if your bed have a box spring, you can cover the box spring if you like. You can cover the box spring because you're not directly laying your head on the box spring. So remember what I said about the mattress. If you have a headboard that's made of wood, it's no more than like it's little cracks and crevices in that wood. Treat the headboard too. Very light dusting. You don't need thick powder where you can see it. Just very, very light dusting. That's what you do for the bed. Your bed frame, you take your box spring mattress off of the frame and you put diatomaceous earth around the frame. You can also put it around the legs of the bed. Like if your bed is on 4 legs, you just put a circle like it's a border around each leg. You can get something like a little bowl or cups. They have something called interceptors that you can put underneath of those legs, but you don't have to get the interceptors. You can just put the powder around each leg of the frame. And that's what you do for your bed. You don't treat your pillows. You don't put diatomaceous earth on your pillows inside your pillowcases. You don't want to breathe the powder in. That's why you don't cover your whole mattress and things. You just put it around those corners. That's good enough for the bed. Now, I have created ebooks. I've created ebooks that will show you exactly what you need to do. I have a few ebooks, but there is one particular that I just recently created, and it's like the Bed Bug Emergency Action Plan. That book comes with, I believe, 2 videos of showing how you apply the powder. It comes with a list of the products that you will need, and it's just a foolproof. I have a separate ebook of how to apply the powder, but I added that book in as a bonus to the action plan. So it would be better to get the action plan versus just how to apply the powder. There's a lot more information there. Again, I cannot explain everything through the comments. I've been doing this since 2021. I've helped thousands of people get rid of bed bugs. And I understand how bed bugs treat, what it does to you mentally. I've been there. I had bed bugs. This is why I'm able to do what I do and do it effectively. I'm not a person who just heard about people getting bed bugs and figure I would try and help people get rid of bed bugs and try to turn this into a business. My intentions was never turning this into a business. I just came to YouTube because God placed it on my heart. Since I taught and showed myself how to get rid of the bugs, that I could help other people do it. And it has went a very long way. So now I take a lot of time and I try my best to help people. Some people will accept the help, some people won't, but it's very time consuming. That's why now it has to be a business. So I do have a lot of videos that I've taken down. I'm in the process of moving. When I move, I'm going to treat my whole entire unit and I'm going to record it. I'm going to record how I treat so people can see it, but it's not going to be a free video. It's going to be probably in my same ebook that I have out, or it's going to just be a whole different little small course on it, because this is going to be very thorough. This is going to really be very thorough, which everything I do is thorough. When I tell you I've helped thousands of people already on YouTube alone get rid of bed bugs, I have. And YouTube is not the only place that I help. I help people in this real life, in my real life, family, friends, things like that. I just had an encounter with someone and helped that person get rid of bed bugs. So we have to understand right now that bed bugs is an epidemic now. So many people are coming across them, and a lot of people have not, but a lot of people are still going to. If you really, really want the help, I'm going to put the emergency plan, the emergency action plan in the comments. Not in the comments, but in the description, and maybe in the comments. I'm going to put that book there. I'm also going to put a video of the mask, because we have to wear masks. When we apply the powder in the beginning, we don't know how to apply it. So you need to wear the mask. It'll be a choice of two. And I would say, please do not listen to those who say diatomaceous earth will kill you. Diatomaceous earth is not healthy. All of these things, I've been using it since 21 and I'm fine. Everybody who I've introduced to it is fine. The thing about diatomaceous earth is that you have to know how to apply the powder, because it can be hazardous to your health if you don't apply it right. Just like household dust. If you breathe in a bunch of dust from shaking a rug, you are going to have respiratory issues and you may have to go to the hospital. Same thing with diatomaceous earth. So please don't let people scare you, because it works. It works. And I believe that's why it's being said that it's all of these bad things, because it works. It really does work. Not saying that other products don't work, because I know that they do. I'm sure that they do. But me, myself, I know how the powder works, because that's what I used. When you purchase the action plan, I do believe I have an email in the action plan that you can contact me. And I believe it's through email. Yeah, email in there that you can contact me through email. And once you contact me, you buy the ebook. Go through the book. Don't contact me just because you have the ebook. The ebook is 100% thorough. You probably won't even need to contact me. But in that case that you do, you can contact me. Let me know you purchased the ebook, and I will verify it. And then we'll go from there. Because if we have to do phones consultations, I will do it. I will do it. But I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I do phone consultations now. I do phone consultations now because people, I know how it is, and I know people really need the help. So I'm changing the way I do things now, and I'm trying to make everything doable for you, those of you who have that have bed bugs. I already know what it's doing to you. I already know how the bites are feeling. I know that you can't sleep at night. I know that you're afraid to sleep at night. I know that every time you sleep you get bit. All of these things, I've been there, so I know exactly what you're going through. So get the ebook. I would say get the ebook. If you comment and ask me questions, I'm going to give you a very short answer, but that's not going to be the answer that you need. I cannot answer I can't give you a full explanation or full anything in the comments. The comments is just to ask a short question. It is not for me to tell you the whole story of how to get rid of bed bugs or how to do this or how to do that. That's not what the comments are for. You ask a question and I direct you to my ebook. You can check my channel out. I still have videos. I still have quite a few videos on my channel. So go through the channel, read the titles, and see if that's something that you may need. You may not need the ebook, but you will need it. Also, I have lives. Go check out my lives. The last live that I made, it was very pixely. I don't know what went on with that last live, but it was very informative, so I don't want to take it down. I'm not going to take it down because it was too much good stuff in that live. So that's what I came here to speak on, guys. If you need the help, get the ebook. Get the ebook. And if the ebook you don't think is good enough for you, then you contact me through the email letting me know that you purchased the ebook. And I'm going to go back and look at the ebook, because if I don't have an email in there for you to contact me, I will definitely put it in there, and then we can go from there. If you just want a consultation, let me know. You just want a consultation, I can talk to you. I can basically walk you through it with the ebook. So let's get rid of these bugs, and let's Stop thinking everything's supposed to be free, and let's stop trying to take the shortcut to get rid of the buzz, because there is no shortcut. I'll see you on the next one.